On May 8th, 1902, Mount Pelee would erupt, causing the deadliest eruption of the 20th century. Located on the northwest tip of the island of Martinique, Mount Pelee is close to the town of Saint Pierre. When Mount Pelee was first built, there were small eruptions that occurred before a very large blast, which would build a volcanic cone. Once the large eruption occurred of Mount Pelee in 1902, a series of pyroclastic flows would cause a lot of the detrimental results, of which we can see at Saint Pierre. Saint Pierre, before the eruption, was a beautiful, blossoming town, yet it would come to be destroyed in mere minutes by this eruption. We can see the detrimental effects that this eruption would have on this town. As stated, everything would be flattened in mere seconds. There would be over 29,000 casualties of the town of Saint Pierre, which only had 30,000 residents. A large reason why this occurred, it was the pyroclastic flows that would come down from the eruption. This resulted in many being killed by asphyxiation, being crushed, or even being swept away. There would merely be 2 survivors, of which were Ludger Syllabarus and Compere Leandri. Syllabarus was being kept in a dungeon-like prison during this eruption occurring. Meanwhile, Compere Leandri lived on the outskirts of the town. Although this eruption seemed like the last of it, tragedy would come to strike again. On May 20th, another Nuée Ardente took over the wreckage of the town of Saint Pierre. But why did this happen, and what is a Nuée Ardente? A Nuée Ardente is a type of pyroclastic flow, as we've discussed, consisting of hot, incandescent solid particles, which is what caused the absolutely detrimental effects of the eruption. Not only are one of these pyroclastic flows detrimental, but there is a numerous amount of pyroclastic flows that would occur out of this ginormous eruption. So what would come of Mount Pelee? Mount Pelee today. A new dome formed in 1929, and ever since then, Mount Pelee has been quiet since, with no eruptive activity has occurred. Although in very recent months, small earthquake activity beneath the mountain have been shown. Although these earthquakes are luckily relatively small, therefore there is not much of a reason to think that Mount Pelee should erupt anytime soon. And that is about the Mount Pelee eruption of 1902.